Today we're going to show you how to produce a non-remote key to a VW caddy using a process called cloning. And today we're going to use showing you the Silca RW4 cloning machine. So firstly we're going to cut the key. So now we've cut the key, we now start the cloning procedure. So firstly, if you want to zoom in, look at the RW4 machine, okay? This is called a snoop, we'll need this in the procedure shortly. So first of all, we insert the customer's original key and we click copy. Then read. Remember, if you're doing an ID48 chip, which is in most VW models, if not all of them, you will need internet connection. So make sure that you see this symbol flashing. Solid. So if we look back on the monitor, it's now saying remove the key. So remove the key, insert the snoop. This is the snoop that's going to collect the component security from the car. So we put the body in, antenna in the hole, click enter. Do you want to reset it? Yes. So we need the new key data. Okay, so it's now remove snoop. We now need to go to the car and retrieve the security data. This is done by turning the ignition on and off 3 times, watching the lights flash. First time, number 1 light will flash. Second time, number 2 light will flash. Third time, both lights will flash. That will tell us it successfully retrieved the component security. Right, now we've retrieved the security data from the car using the snoop, we then want to add it to the system. So we enter it and we click next, insert the snoop, we've got it in, then remove it. Insert the original key, click read. Remove the key. Now insert one of the T48 chips. This is one of the Silca cloning chips, the ID48 transponders. So we've got 2 here, so we're going to insert one just into the hole. Be careful not to drop it inside the hole. Just rest it above, click enter. Expected wait time is 13 minutes because that's going to now go online to pull the data. So let's start the process. Now we've waited the timer, we're now going to continue. Execute the copy, yes. Insert the original key. Remove the key. Put the same T48 chip in. Click right. Operation complete, remove the key. Do you want another one? Yes we do. So we'll put the new chip in. All done, ready to put into the key case and start the car. Thank you.